What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can hear, this thing sounded super loud today. We got the exhaust off from one of the last videos of the year, which sucks. I hate to say it, but it's what you get when you don't live in California or something like that. Today we got a special guest. My stepdad's back in town and got a beautiful monster here. Got a Kawasaki Concours 14 with a turbo on it. Who would have thought? It was built by Stedman Motorsports. That monster turbos. It's got a beautiful turbo on it. I'll throw a picture up on the screen. But this thing is crazy. He let me drive it up and down the street a couple days ago, and that thing just, oh, when that turbo kicks on, it's super crazy. This thing is crazy, man. I said in my last video, this thing's just so nimble, and it truly is, man. You could take this thing and just throw it right into a corner and it just knows how to handle it. But yeah, we're still trying to get this thing dialed in because it's capable of 250, but you know, never want to run that high of a horsepower on something that doesn't have a built motor or anything. Yeah, you're gonna bump it down a lot. Probably be around 220, 230. So this thing's going to be an absolute unit when it's all dialed in. Everybody got on me when I was racing in Austin in this FC07, like, don't pull in the clutch, just do it clutchless. Like, that was clutchless, and you could go back and see before I've done it with the clutch, and it's literally no different. I'm not going to put my bike at a risk just to be literal tenths of a second faster. Like, that just makes no sense to me. He had an old 750 turbo that was all like stage 3, big turbo, built motor, all that good stuff, and that thing sounded ludicrous. But this is just different because it was never made to be that, and it has one on it. So it's crazy to hear it, see it, be around it. But next riding season, this thing's going to be all dialed in and ready to go, and it's going to be crazy. We're gonna have a lot of content on this thing, racing some big bikes and some of his big bikes actually. She's looking a little hobo, a little beat up right now, but it's what you got to do when you're building something as cool as that. Which I have seen, they do make turbos for this, and I think it makes around like 150, 160. I could be wrong, but from what I read, I think that's what I got out of it. It wasn't like an actual just number. It was just like roundabout ballpark.